Will investing in the LIC Amritbal policy help you secure your child's future? Let us find out through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand what this policy is about. So, this is an individual, non-linked, non-participating savings life insurance plan. So some of the key features of the policy are: you have the option to choose the life insurance coverage for your child as per their needs, and you have the flexibility to choose from single premium and limited premium payment, and you get a guaranteed addition of 80 rupees per thousand basic sum assured throughout the policy term, and you have the option to choose the maturity age from 18 to 25 years, and there is also premium waiver benefit rider available on payment of additional premium. So these are some of the key features of the policy, and there are benefits like death benefit, maturity benefit, and guaranteed additions, which differs based on the plan options you have opted for. So if you want to know more about these aspects of the policy in detail, you can refer to the policy brochure. Now, let us take a look at the advantages of the policy. So you can add riders to the base policy, and you have the option to receive maturity benefit, death benefit installments over 5 or 10 or 15 years instead of receiving it in a lump sum amount. And there is also the benefit of an attractive high sum assured rebate, which you can consider as an advantage. And it also takes care of your liquidity needs through loan facility. So these are some of the advantages of the policy. The disadvantages, however, are: in general, children's education plan offers life cover protection for the parent. Here, under this plan, the life insured is for the child. So this might also be considered as a drawback. So here you need to go through all these drawbacks and then decide whether it would be worth investing or not. So for that, we are going to analyze the IRR of the policy, basically the internal rate of return, based on the figures given in the benefit illustration in the policy brochure. So here, let's just for calculation purpose assume that a parent of 5-year-old opts for the LIC's Amritbal plan option 1. So the sum assured is 5 lakhs, the policy term is 20 years, and the premium paying term is 7 years. Here the child is eligible for a maturity benefit at the age of 25 years, and the annualized premium the policyholder is going to pay is 73,625 rupees. So if he pays the premium for 7 years, then is eligible for maturity benefit at the end of the policy term, including the guaranteed addition of 13 lakhs is receivable as maturity benefit. So the IRR for this cash flow can be calculated as 5.56%. Though the benefits are guaranteed, the returns are not favorable to achieving your child's dream. Rate of inflation in education is hovering around 11 to 12%, implying that education costs could double every 6 to 7 years. So investing in the Amritbal plan will not help you achieve the required corpus for the goal. So what we are going to do here is we are going to compare this policy returns with other investment options to help you in choosing the suitable investment avenue for your child's education. So the IRR analysis has revealed that the LIC policy will fall short of the required corpus if you invest via this policy. So what we are going to do is we are going to look at other investment avenues where we can effectively channelize the same premium but in an alternative strategy where we are going to invest in insurance and investment separately. So with LIC policy, you receive life protection for your child along with maturity benefit. But in personal finance, it's basically having life cover is crucial for the earning member of a family. That is the one recommended. However, in this scenario, the child is the primary policyholder, which is unnecessary. The premium paid for life cover in this case serves no practical purpose. So let us assume the full premium is invested in the child's future. Here we have chosen the ELSS fund as an investment vehicle based on your risk tolerance level. You can pick an investment vehicle. So for 7 years, we are going to invest 73,625 rupees in the ELSS fund, because in a long term period like 7 to 10 years, equity performs better and gives you better risk adjusted returns. That's why. So at the time of redemption, capital gains tax is payable in ELSS. So if you want to know how we have calculated the tax for ELSS, we do have a small tabular column presented on the screen for your reference, which you can pause and see. So the pre-tax value amounts to 36.30 lakhs. The post-tax maturity value is 32.56 lakhs, and the IRR calculation results in 11.30%, which is based on the post-tax return. So to cope up with soaring education inflation, always channel your savings towards an appropriate investment so that your child's dream can be achieved without any roadblocks. So what is the final verdict? Is investing in the LIC Amritbal plan worth it or not? So this policy is designed to meet the goals related to your kids. You pay a premium for a limited period and receive the maturity benefit at the scheduled age of 25 years, whichever you have chosen. So the maturity benefit is guaranteed, but there might be a mismatch between the requirement and the actual maturity. The low return on investment and high agent commission makes it not convincing for investors to invest in this policy. Moreover, as discussed earlier, the life protection under this policy is of no use. So both maturity benefits and life cover protection are not favorable for an investor. This shows that a children education plan with guaranteed benefits is just an illusion. These illusions make you feel that investing in these policies will be a one-stop solution for all your future financial needs. But the reality is not the same. To meet the skyrocketing education cost, invest in an inflation-beating return instrument. So this will accelerate your investment growth. Accomplishing your goal is made easy by choosing the right investment product. So don't fall trapped in the ready-made child education plans, especially well promoted by social media channels.
If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.